Let's do this song, Attention Deficit Disorder by Viagra Boys. I ain't got no phone. I can't find my keys. Attention Deficit Disorder. Attention Deficit Disorder. Alright, that's not how they play it, but those are the chords behind it. If you listen to the bass is playing open E, G, A. This is where they're playing. So the bass is playing A string at 7. It's like a triplet. D string at 5, and then low E string at 5. So that's what's being played during both the verse and the chorus. So like remember, because we're just playing like 2 strings or 1 string, you're gonna have to mute the other strings. I'm muting all the bottom strings with the bottom part of my finger, and you limit your picking. Okay, so E, and then you can leave this finger in place and put this finger there for the G, and then roll down for the A. And just try to keep down, triplet feel on your strum hand. Just keep it going. If you have a few unwanted notes because of your strum hand, it's gonna sound fine. You could add a D in there. Because the chorus had no guitar in them, but then during the instrumental section that follows the verse, then you have it's almost like a chord riff. That's kind of like what they're playing. And they're kind of using, the guitar's kind of using some chromatic, so you can slide into it from above or below. See how I'm doing those slides? So I start at 4, slide into 5, start at 6, slide into 7 and 9 for your A. You could just play that with A shape. Because they're doing those chromatic slides, you're getting like more notes than you are on the bass line. The bass line is just 3 chords. But on the they're sliding in, so it sounds like more like 4 or 5 chords. But you should think of the guitar riff as more like as a riff, not as a chord progression. It's more just like a riff. You're just playing like 2 and 3 strings. Play that song. You can play open position, or you can play bar chords, and use some of these, like they're using this A shape a lot. This is very common. You see it's like an A, and you get either. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun.